have cooked these Turkish flatbreads today. They are so easy to make, they are so delicious. You guys should definitely try them. I will start by activating the yeast. I have here some warm water. I will add the yeast in here. Give it a slow mix and then set on the side for 5 minutes. Now to the flour, I'm going to add the salt. Give it a stir. Now the yeast is already activated. I'm going to add it right now together with olive oil. I add the yeast and the milk. I'm going to give this a stir before I knead it with my hand. Okay, going to knead it with my hand now. If you just use the ingredients we have listed, there is no way you go wrong with this. Shape it into a ball. That's it. I'm going to cover this with a damp cloth and keep it on the side for about 15 to 20 minutes. The dough is risen. I'm going to partition it. I'll just sprinkle some flour on the top here. I'm going to partition this in the portions that I like. Right now, I'll just make them in a bowl. And just keep them on the side for about 15 minutes, not more than that. So the breads are risen. For the second time, I'm going to start rolling them. We have to make sure they're nice and round. Not too thin and not too thick. About ½ centimeter thick. So right now, I have my pan here. So now I'm going to add this here. Okay, and make sure the cooker is on medium to high. Some people cook this with the lid on. With the lid on, it's going to help rise better. After a couple of minutes, I have to turn it over. It looks perfect. Lid back on, cook for 1 more minute. So it looks like it's ready. Yes, it is. So I'm going to put it on the plate and then I'm going to brush some olive oil on it. And that's it. And add a bit of parsley. And some chili flakes. Just to give it a nice taste and flavor. That's it. I believe anyone can do this. You should definitely try it. They're very similar to naan breads as well. They're delicious, they're soft. You can eat them with anything. So yeah, you guys should definitely try these and see it for yourself. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video with more recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.